So there's somebody landing. There's a guy waiting to take off. This looks like a jet. It's downhill. Remember, this is a down. Why is the picture soft? You want to get the wheels down quick and get those reverses on quick. Because he's doing about $130, $135. I don't hear the reversers. There it is. You want brakes and reversers here. That looks like a pretty big airplane there. He's not going to turn around on the runway. I mean, he used the whole runway. Yeah, he's taking his sweet ass time getting off though. And there's this other guy back here that's waiting, and he's not taxiing to the numbers or anything. I'm not sure what that is. But there's this guy in the back right there, and he's been sitting there for a while, waiting for Philadelphia to give him the go-ahead, I think. And he's not moving, so we'll get him when he does. Let's see. Let's be sure. Hey, that dude, yeah, that was a big machine right there. That's 40,000 pounds at least, maybe more. Maybe closer to 60,000. That guy's not moving. So we'll get back to him when he does.